Now that we've drawn every element of our cannon, we need to assemble it, right? Let's work with the third environment. Open the New Assembly tab. In this environment, I'm going to leave the same background I worked with on the part environment, the black gradient. Let's start by adding the cannon side. Habilitate Insert Component, going to the file where our part was saved, and select it. Then it will be added to our 3D environment. Now we need to add the spacer, which will be inserted between the lateral faces of our cannon, selecting the Insert Component tab again and adding the spacer. We're doing it according to some reference point on our lateral face. Then we're adding the remaining parts because our next step is to create restrictions to keep them in the right places. With our parts already on the assembly environment, we'll restrain them one by one. So firstly, we need to select what will be done, which will be the coincident mate. Coincident mate is generally used when we need to align to sides, whether side by side or front to front. Then we select the sides it'll be applied to. In this case, we need it to be side by side, so we're selecting the reverse option. You can also just tap Tab. With that being done, we're confirming the operation and habilitate concentric mate. This one is used when we're having cylindrical objects if the alignment is done from the imaginary center of them. We're selecting the restricted objects and applying this command. Now, bear with me. We'll keep inputting mates to our parts so they'll be where they belong. So we're at the main cannon part. We're using a brand new mate function, tangent mate. This one is used when we need two objects at one point without an intersection. For doing so, we'll select the cannon's face and then the inside lateral face, where the objects are touching each other. We're selecting the distance command, or pressing F5, and we'll alter their distances. Let's add 0.75 to maintain the cannon at the pine's center. If everything's ready, then we're pressing Apply. Now, there are a few things left to be done. As there is one lateral of our set left, let's mirror it. So select the plane command. Add the measure of 19.25, as it's half of the set's width. And we're selecting the existing external face so we can create a referential plane of it. Select the Mirror tool, and in Instance, we're choosing the object to be mirrored. In Plane Reference, we'll select the plane we recreated before. And now you just need to click on Apply and OK, confirming your operation. And that's it. Our assembly is done. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.